Hello guys, and Minecraft Pocket Edition. So I have a poultry machine here. Now we're just showing this poultry machine here. So let's get started. So guys, this is how to make this. You need a piston in the side stones or ever blocks. Put some waters and you spawn chickens right here. And when you open it, your items are gonna be in your bar. So guys, now let us spawn the one chicken in. Close the poultry machine. Get the ladder. Now, you want your ladder back? Yes, of course. Whatever, use your ladder to navigate your chicken dropped from the poultry machine.
Hello guys, Ad here, and today it's gonna be just Minecraft Gamer is face reveal.
So
I am pretty much not appreciated that he has like a lot of subscribers, but I am thinking he has a little bit enough. So this is his face reveal.
Guys.
And pretty much this is my face reveal. Don't make fun of me because I don't like my face.
And now, get
Hello.
the ladder.
I am pretty much covering my mouth because I think I
Now,
look a little bit terrifying with it. Anyway,
we have our chicken machine now. This is poultry.
You may see
And this is some chickens are doing this.
Woohoo!
Here, this is my poultry machine I just made.
Hello guys, I'm
So
here. And today it's gonna be
I just make a basic one up there that puts this lever up there and spawn chicken. So now we have a lot of subscribers next month. So guys, this is the water here. So guys, do you remember? So okay, that's it to my YouTube video, to my Twitter. So this is the poultry and how to make some poultry machine. Now I saw it to Suki. The market, I just went and chickens boil in there. So guys, I will be back for other videos and subscribe my videos. Now, bye.